Probably.
Is it one man, one jar?
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh no! I just read what it was.
No,
Just-
don't read it.
Just watch it.
Go with that screen.
Get rid of the screen, Bonds.
No, I know what's gonna happen. Oh! He's pulling it out! Why did you pull it out? Go to the fucking hospital, you idiot! Oh my god! Fuck you! You're a nasty, nasty man, Daniel.
Stop drawing.
It's not free, is it? Oh god! Oh, I'm stopping that now. That's fine, that's done. Done. I learned one lesson. Don't put a jar up your bum.